So here I have this mouthwash dispenser, which is pretty neat because it has two cups with different colors on the bottom. They are magnetic, so they don't fall off. And this little plate is magnetic too, where you refill it. And you see it has the settings up here where you could do 10 milliliters, 20, or 30. You change it on this side, you tap it once, and you can see it change. Over here's the power button. And it is rechargeable with a type C. You go ahead and connect it here. This is where you put the mouthwash. So here's a charging cable that it comes with. You could screw it in the wall, and this is the plate, which has the two little holes here, or it has this adhesive so you could stick it on the wall or a mirror. So you stick it here and you stick it to the mirror, and this is where it hooks on. So this back plate, you just go ahead and slide it in and it stays in place. So pretty nice and sturdy. Let's go ahead and mount it so you could see it. So I took off the sticker on one side and I stuck it to this plate. Now I'm going to take off the sticker on the other side and go ahead and put it on the mirror. Make sure this little part is up so you could put the mouthwash dispenser. So I'll go ahead and put it right here. Stays in place. You slide this in. Oh, there we go. Make sure you slide it in, it clicks in place. So there we go. Let's go and fill it up and use it.